Hello Instagram users. In this video, we'll be showing you how to stop people from tagging you on Instagram on your Android device. This is a great way to maintain your privacy and control who can tag you in posts and stories on the platform. To get started, open the Instagram app on your Android device. Once you're in the app, tap on your profile located in the right bottom corner of the screen. From there, tap on the menu bar located in the top right corner of the screen. Once you're in the menu, scroll down until you see the option for Settings and Privacy. Tap on it to enter the Settings menu. Next, tap on Privacy, and then select Tags under Connections. From there, you can select the option Don't Allow Tags. This will prevent other users from tagging you in posts and stories on the platform. You can also select the option Manually Approve Tags if you want to review tags before they appear on your profile. It's important to note that by selecting Don't Allow Tags, you may miss out on posts and stories that you would have otherwise been tagged in. However, this feature can be useful in certain situations where you want to maintain your privacy and control over your online presence. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to stop people from tagging you on Instagram on your Android device. It's important to use this feature responsibly and only when necessary. Remember, Instagram is all about engagement and connection with other users, so use this feature with caution. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or if there's anything else you'd like us to cover, please let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips on using Instagram and other social media platforms. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.